If you want a transformation from this to this, then you need to check out the GoVee TV Light Bar, costing £40, which is very cheap in my opinion for a product in this category. The packaging is tidy and executive with a clear image of the lights at the front. The back lists some information and also talks about the energy consumption. Let's not waste any more time and dive straight in. Opening the box, we can see that the contents are well organized, which is always a good sign. You get the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar itself, along with a power adapter, a control box, a user manual, 2 table mounting brackets and 2 screen mounting brackets. The light bar itself feels sturdy and well made. It has a sleek, low profile design that should complement most TVs or monitors without being obtrusive. The build quality seems impressive and I am eager to see how it performs once we have set it up. Installation is straightforward and hassle free. The 2 table mounting brackets make it easy to attach the light bar to the back of the TV, and the 2 screen mounting brackets are simple to install. The control box connects seamlessly. Now let's power it up and see how it looks. The lighting effects are truly impressive. The RGBIC technology allows for vibrant dynamic colors that sync with the on-screen content, creating a captivating visual experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply using your TV as a display, the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar adds an extra layer of immersion. The control box provides convenient options for adjusting brightness, color, and effects, and it's also compatible with smart home systems for voice control and the GoVee app-based customization. The level of customization is impressive, allowing you to tailor the lighting to suit your preferences and create the perfect ambience for any occasion. After spending some time with the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar, I wanted to share a few additional thoughts. One thing that really stands out is the responsiveness of the lighting effects. The RGBIC technology allows the light bar to react quickly to changes on the screen, creating a truly immersive viewing experience. Whether it's a fast-paced action scene in a movie or the colorful visuals of a video game, the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar enhances the visual impact and draws you into the content in a way that traditional static lighting simply cannot match. I also want to emphasize the versatility of this product. Not only does it enhance the viewing experience, but it also serves as ambient lighting for your entertainment area. The ability to customize the colors and effects means you can set the perfect mood for any occasion, whether you're hosting a movie night or simply relaxing at home. One thing to note is that while the adhesive clips provide a secure attachment for the light bar, it's important to ensure proper placement to avoid obstructing any ports or vents on the back of your TV. Additionally, if you have a particularly large TV, you may want to measure the length of the light bar to ensure it provides adequate coverage. In conclusion, the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar is a fantastic addition to any entertainment setup. Its easy installation, impressive lighting effects, and extensive customization options makes it a standout product in the market. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or simply want to enhance your viewing experience, this light bar delivers on its promises. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This is the unboxing beard, and we just unboxed the GoVee RGBIC TV Light Bar.